think, food has ended wars and probably started a few as well. I think it brings cultures together and it helps strangers connect. I've actually been cooking since I was 4 years old. My parents bought me a cookbook, and before I could read it, my older brother used to read the recipes and I used to cook because that was our only entertainment. So when I was obviously in school and they asked you what you would like to do, the only thing I really ended up coming back to was cooking. And I realized that the real kitchens can be quite soul destroying and really hard work. So I decided in 2001 that I would create a fun environment for cooking. I think my point of difference is that I can make something really basic look like a fancy restaurant meal without working too hard. One of the things I love about my job is being able to teach people that cooking can actually be fun. So although I don't cook everything African, I do often have that African flair popping into dishes without me even knowing that I did it, which is obviously, I think I always will have that little bit of African left in me. Yeah, cooking is just my passion and I like to share it.